Right, a big war of words has escalated between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, as we just heard, viewers. Meanwhile, what has happened is that the row is getting escalated. After Sanjay Singh basically made this big charge, a charge which we heard where he claimed that the BJP was trying to omit or deleted his wife's name from the voters list. It's BJP's Amit Malviya who has hit back at Sanjay Singh. He has basically shared quote-unquote an election affidavit by Singh's wife. So basically, Amit Malviya shared this affidavit, viewers, which you can see on your screens. This has been posted by the BJP. BJP says that this is the election affidavit of Sanjay Singh's wife, and the BJP says that the AAP's leader is a voter from Sultanpur in Uttar Pradesh. The BJP goes on to say that Sanjay Singh has dragged his wife's name unnecessarily into the entire controversy. Tejshri, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast. Tejshri, has the Aam Aadmi Party or Sanjay Singh reacted to this claim made by BJP's Amit Malviya at all? Because the BJP says that according to this election affidavit which has been posted by them, the AAP MP's wife is actually a voter from Uttar Pradesh and not from Delhi. So the question of deleting her name doesn't arise at all.
Well, you see, as of now, we are still awaiting for an official response from Aam Aadmi Party and particularly Sanjay Singh, so as to what he has to say on the claims that have been made by the BJP, particularly Amit Malviya and Manoj Tiwari, who have put out on their social media handle, saying that Anita Singh, the wife of Sanjay Singh, who is Rajya Sabha MP from Aam Aadmi Party, her vote is in Sultanpur and not in the national capital, and that Aam Aadmi Party is just spreading lies, is what BJP has been saying. However, the matter of voter deletion has been raised by Aam Aadmi Party for a few weeks back, and in fact, not just that, they have also complained to the Election Commission and have also asked to lodge an FIR, but as of now, there has been no complaint or FIR been lodged. But yes, the Election Commission had assured them long back that action will be taken in the matter of voter deletion. And now, if we talk about the particularly vote being deleted of Anita Singh, yes, yesterday Sanjay Singh held a press conference, and in this particular press conference, Sanjay Singh clearly mentioned that how his wife's vote, an application has been filed to delete the vote of his wife, and not just that, he further claimed that the applicants who have filed the application to delete the name of his wife as a voter, they belong to the BJP. However, now what BJP says that the two female individuals who have filed an application, they have some conflict with the family of Sanjay Singh, and that is why they have filed an application. As of now, there has been no clarity or clarification so as to who these two individual women are who have filed an application to delete the voter name of Anita Singh. But yes, we are still waiting for an official response so as to see that what happens next, because certainly this entire matter of voter deletion, voter names being added into the voter list, or both of these things will certainly escalate as and when the election dates will be announced, because certainly in few weeks from now only the election in the national capital will be held. And yes, this matter of particularly voter deletion, voter addition, we'll have to see that how the course of investigation heads further in this entire matter, because as far as the voter addition is concerned, an complaint has been lodged, FIR has also been filed, and yet we are awaiting so as to what happens as far as the voter deletion matter of Sanjay Singh's wife Anita Singh is concerned. Back to you.
Right, so that obviously is the claim of the BJP. Viewers, we heard what Sanjay Singh had to say. That affidavit also is on your screen. Sage, if I could just come to you once again, talking about the BJP, take us through how the BJP is really planning to corner the Aam Aadmi Party over this issue, considering they claim that this affidavit has armed them with quote-unquote what they call proof against the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, you see, as far as BJP is concerned, BJP is distancing themselves from this entire matter, because what BJP has been saying that the two individuals who have filed complaint, they have no relation with the BJP, and in fact it is the internal matter of Sanjay Singh's family, and in fact they had clashes with Sanjay Singh's family. That is why they have filed a complaint and they have no relation with the BJP, is what BJP is saying, number one. Number two, they are also saying that as far as the voter deletion is concerned, her vote is in Sultanpur and not in the national capital. So now they are raising guns at Aam Aadmi Party so as to how they are raising this particular issue. And not just that, if there is an affidavit, they should come out. They should come out with an affidavit, is what BJP is saying. And in fact, as far as the voters addition and deletion is concerned,
why don't you stay with us, Tejshri? We have RP Singh of the BJP who has just joined us. Thank you, sir, for joining us.